Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create new project in Odoo 15 project module. Here the dashboard displays all the projects created in the module and they are arranged in a separate tabs along with the details of the project and the customer's name. And here we can see the number of tasks, remaining hours. Here we have the option to schedule the activity. And here we can see the option to start a conversation with the user. Here we can see the color circle. It is to define whether the project is on track, off track, blocked or at risk. And by clicking on the three dots, we'll get the option to view the task, timesheet, sales order, planning and the project updates. And also we will get the reporting options which will help to generate reports like task analysis, burn down chart, customer ratings, timesheet and planning analysis. We can also share and edit the project from here, and also we can provide the colors for highlighting the project. And here we can see the customizable features like filters, group by and the favorite options. Now let's look how to create a new project. Here for that click on create. So a pop-up window will appear. Here we can mention the name of the project. Then we will get the billable timesheet, planning and the worksheet options to activate. So the billable option will help you to invoice your time spent on this project and the material from task. To keep it track of the time spent on the project, you can enable the timesheet option. The planning option can be used to enable planning task on the project, and you can easily configure the worksheet on each task of the project by activating the worksheet option. And also here we have the option to provide an email ID. So it is to create task by sending an email to this particular one. So we can click on create. So we will direct to a new window where we can create a new task for the project. So here we can assign different stages for the task which will help to understand the progression of the project. So we have already done a video regarding how to assign task in Odoo 15 project module. So to get in detail, you can refer the video on our Cybrosys YouTube channel. So this is how we create a new project from the main dashboard of the project module. You can also create new project by selecting the project option comes under the configuration menu. So here we can see the list of all the configured project. And here we can see the name, customer, company, start date, end date, project manager, status and the stage. It can be viewed according to the list view and also in the campaign view. Here also you can see the filtering, group by and the favorite options. So if you want to view it in detail, you can choose a respective one, and if you want to make an edit, you can just click on the edit icon. So let's click on the create icon to create a new project. So the details can be added in this window. So we can provide the name for the project here. Here we can provide the name of the task, and here we can choose the customer. Likewise, we can provide the tags here. So we can choose multiple tags here. Here we can see the project manager and the company is automatically allocated and can provide the plan date here. In the description tab, we can provide the description about the project. And when we comes to the settings, we can see a lot of options. So it includes various options to configure to ensure the advanced performance of the project. So to record the cost and revenue of the project, it is important to link an analytic account to your project. So in this field, I can mention the account for financial management. So it can be chosen from the drop down menu. Then we can set the visibility of the task of this project as invited employees, all employees, and the invited portal users and all employees. And to record the exact time spent on this project by assigned employees, you can activate the timesheet option. The product on task option will help you to keep a track of the product and the materials used to complete this project. Then you can enable the worksheet option to configure the worksheet for this project, and it is also possible to add a worksheet template in this corresponding field. In order to get the feedback from the customers, you can activate the customer rating option. Then we can set this option as rating when changing stage or periodic rating. Then you can set a rating email template on stages for which we want to get the customer feedback. So it can be set from by clicking on here. For regular activities, we can repeat the task in a specified interval of time by activating the recurring task option. And the billable option will help you to generate the invoices on time and the material used to complete each task in a project. Similarly, for enabling the planning task on the project, you can activate the planning option. It is possible to split each task into subtasks by activating the subtask. And the task dependencies option will help you to determine the order to perform the task. After activating the billable option, we will get an additional tab that is invoicing. So here we can mention a sales order item which this project is linked. So here can add the sales order item of assigned employees in this tab which their timesheet entry will be added, and this will help you to define the rate at which an employee's time on the project is billed. So we can add the employee's name here, and here we can choose the sales order item. Here we can say the unit price, and here we can provide the cost. So after completing adding the details in the project creation window, we can click on the save. So using the share read only option, you can share the project with the customers and the co-workers. So this option only provide reading access to the recipients. To provide the editing access, you can share this project using the share editable button. Then here we have the option to create the invoice. So we have discussed two methods of creating project in the project module in Odoo 15. So you can effortlessly create and manage new project and split them into various tasks and subtasks in this module in an organized manner. So that's all about the video. Thank you for watching.